So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to cook some quinoa rice, which is basically a substitute of carbohydrates, and it's basically protein. And first I'm boiling this with this teaspoon that I'm showing you. I took 4 teaspoons. Then I'm straining all the water, and keeping the quinoa rice aside. Then as you can see, there are eggs, beef and vegetables which I cooked previously. Taking some mustard oil, and I want to fry all of them together, so I took 2 tablespoons of mustard oil, and now I'm actually basically frying all the eggs, then the beef and vegetables which I have cooked before, and I used butter on them. And now I'm taking this which I have already cooked, the vegetables and beef. Then basically I'm frying them for 2 to 3 minutes. So after I'm done, I gave the quinoa rice, and then again frying them for at least 3 to 4 minutes with mustard oil. And then I added some oregano just to add some flavor on it. This is really good for dinner, and it's totally pure substitute of carbohydrate. And it's ready finally for dinner.